Welcome to another exclusive feature from Infra Engineers India Private Limited, IEPL, marking its successful entry into the waste management sector with the commissioning of its innovative hybrid plug-in dual EV and diesel excavators at Zigma Global Environment Solutions Private Limited, a leading company in waste management. In sustainable transformation, Zigma has become the first company in India to deploy 2 units of hybrid plug-in dual EV and diesel excavators, a 14 and a 21-ton SANI equipment for waste management operations at its Kodungayur, Chennai site. Delivering exceptional operational performance, the 14-ton excavator has recorded 608 operating hours, while the 21-ton model has achieved 588 operating hours in 29 days. For the same application, hybrid EV excavators deliver an impressive 74% reduction in operating costs for a 14-ton excavator and an outstanding 80% reduction for a 21-ton excavator compared to conventional diesel excavators working at the same site. Power consumption varies depending on the application, such as blue metal and steel industry. In addition, operating in EV mode delivers zero maintenance. This milestone reflects the growing confidence in hybrid EV technology as a practical and sustainable solution for the future of construction and waste management. IEPL is proud to contribute to this transformation through continuous innovation and customer-focused requirements. IEPL empowers customers to transform their new or used equipment into hybrid EV machines, unlocking exceptional cost savings. With a streamlined conversion process, IEPL can retrofit machines into hybrid EV in just 5 days. Connect with us today and power the future of sustainable construction.